Friends, this is Abhijit Pawar. In this video, we are going to learn how to install the print services in Windows Server 2012. So first you have to log in into Windows Server 2012, then click on Server Manager, then go to Manage. In Manage, you have to click on Add Roles and Features, then click on Next, then select role-based or feature-based installation, click on Next. Then select the server, then click on Next. Then you have to select the role, that is Print and Document Services. So select this particular role, click on Add Features, then click Next, again click on Next. It will ask you for different, you can say, services: print server, distributed scan server, what type of printing you want. I will select on the print server. I will click on Next and I will say Install. So now the print and document services role is getting installed. Once the installation is completed, on this particular taskbar, we will come to know whether the installation is completed or not. So let's wait. It will take hardly, you can say, 30 seconds to complete the installation. And remember, when we are using actually Windows Server 2012 R2 or any server operating system, printing services are really important in organization, as most of the employees will be sending the printing, and we have to manage all these printing related services from a central point. We have to manage what should be printed, when it should be printed, who should be given the priority, how many, you can say, printers to be pulled together. All these things can be done from a, you can say, center point, and that's why we require something called as a print server. And for this purpose, we have to install the print services role. Once the print services role is installed, then in the tools option, we will get an option called as print management. So from print management, we will get a single console window from where we can manage all the printers and their settings. So all the printers will be added over here, and then we can manage. Now you can see the installation is completed. I will click on Close. Now go to the tools option. Now you can see an option called as a print management. Click on print management. So you can see different options on the left side. You have to expand the print servers. You can see this is our print server. You have to expand this also. There are 4 options: drivers, forms, ports, and printers. So if I click on printers, you can see the printers which are added over here. So only one printer is added, and that is also the print to file, that is a document writer printer. If you want to add a printer, you can right click, say add printer, select any option. So if I say add a printer to the existing port, click on next, then it will show you all the drivers present which are there. So I will select the printer which is present in my network or which is connected to my particular server. Once it is done, click on next, and now your printer is getting installed. Now you can see in this window we have installed that particular printer, and all the printers which are there in your network can be managed from a single point. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do watch other videos for learning more about printing and file services. Thank you very much.